Mexico is a country rich in history and culture, with countless historical monuments that are a must-visit for any traveler in 2024. One of the top historical monuments to visit is the ancient city of Teotihuacan, located just outside of Mexico City. This archaeological site is home to the iconic Pyramid of the Sun and the Pyramid of the Moon, both of which offer stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Another must-visit historical monument in Mexico is the Mayan ruins of Chichen Itza, located in the Yucatan Peninsula. This ancient city is home to the famous El Castillo Pyramid, as well as the Temple of the Warriors and the Great Ball Court. Lastly, the colonial city of Guanajuato is another top historical monument to visit in Mexico. This picturesque city is known for its colorful buildings, winding streets, and historic landmarks such as the Alhóndiga de Granaditas and the Basilica of Our Lady of Guanajuato. Overall, Mexico is a treasure trove of historical monuments that offer a glimpse into the country's rich past and cultural heritage.